If you've just switched from Google Chrome to Microsoft Edge and you want to bring over your bookmarks and extensions, this video is going to save you a ton of time. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to migrate your Chrome data into Edge in a simple, beginner-friendly way. This is perfect if you've got saved sites, tools, and extensions you rely on every day and you don't want to start from scratch. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where all of Edge's browser options are stored, including the import tools you need. In the Settings menu, look for Profiles. Profiles is the section that controls your account, sync, and browser data. Click on Profiles and then find the option that says Import Browser Data. This is the feature Microsoft Edge uses to pull information from another browser, like Google Chrome. When the import window opens, you'll see a list of browsers and data types you can bring over. Select Google Chrome as the browser you want to import from. Edge will then prepare to copy over your saved information. Depending on your setup, you may see options for bookmarks, favorites, browsing history, saved passwords, and sometimes extensions or other browser-related data. Make sure the items you want are selected before continuing. If your goal is to migrate bookmarks, confirm that favorites or bookmarks are included. If you want to bring over extensions, check whether your Edge version supports importing them directly, since in some cases you may need to reinstall certain extensions from the Edge add-on store or the Chrome Web Store. After you've selected Google Chrome and reviewed the import options, click Done or Import, depending on what your version of Edge shows. Edge will now begin transferring the selected data from Chrome into your browser profile. This usually only takes a few moments, but the time can vary depending on how much data you have. Once it's finished, open your Favorites bar or Bookmarks menu to confirm your Chrome bookmarks are now available in Edge. You can also check your extension list to see what carried over and what may need to be added manually. If something didn't import the way you expected, don't worry. You can always go back into Edge settings, open Profiles again, and run the import process one more time to make sure everything is selected correctly. That's why this method is so useful. It gives you a fast and easy way to move from Chrome to Edge without losing your important browser setup. And just like that, you've migrated your Google Chrome bookmarks and, where supported, your extensions into Microsoft Edge. If this video helped you out, please remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.